In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Hello Fall sign a success in Cricut Design Space. The first thing you want to do is you want to make a shape, click on circle, and you want to make the circle the same size as the round that you have. In my case, I have 15 inches. Now I'm going to just change the color so I can kind of have an idea of what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to write hello. The font that I used for this one was Hello Honey, so I'm going to show you how to get those special characters in here. It's right here. So you want to minimize design space. You want to hit Command Spacebar and type in Font Book. Then you want to find Hello Honey and make sure that the dots are marked. Then you want to just scroll down and look for the swashes. So there's the H. Then you Command C. You come back to Design Space, you double click on the hello, erase the H, go back to your font book and find the O with the swash at the end, Command C, and then Command V to paste that in there. And there you have your hello with the before and after swashes. And I'm going to go ahead and weld them. Since they are script font, this makes things a lot easier and nicer when it cuts. And I'm going to make mine around 10.5 inches. And then fall, I use the font Bella Years. And I have a tutorial that I will link above that will show you how to download a font if you don't know how through dafont.com, and I also will provide the link in the description below as well. I did not quite like the A was a little bit bigger, so what I ended up doing is hitting Ungroup, and I just made the A a little bit smaller to my liking, and then I just moved my letters over a little bit and then regrouped them. Now I'm going to resize. And then the last thing was my leaf. I went ahead and just uploaded that image off of Google. But anything that you want to use to decorate your sign. Now the last thing you want to do is you want to hide your circle because you do not want to print that. And you also want to attach or weld your fall sign so that it prints in the same order as you have it written to make it easier to transfer it onto your round. Then you go to Make It. I'm going to use a matte. This is for the Maker 3, it asks this. And now we're ready to print. So hit Continue, select your machine, and then click on what vinyl you may be using and hit Continue. You're ready to start cutting.
video, give her a thumbs up.